na.
Can I have a biscuit?
Who's most likely
No.
to be sleep 24/7? Mika?
Yes.
Okay.
Maria?
Bakit ako?
Ano yun? Always sleeping?
Yeah.
Maria yun.
No, bakit ako?
Okay, who's most likely to eat many ice cream?
Ay, bakit ako?
Ay, magsabi.
Ikaw na.
Ayan.
Who's most likely to stay 24/7? This was likely dead.
Who's most likely to be dead?
Who's more likely to be a monster?
Mga yume.
Who's most likely? Ako muna. Who's most like? Ay, wait lang. Ikaw na lang. Who's most likely to pee the most? Who's most likely to become an
Who's
angel?
most likely to be tall in the future?
You! I want tall.
Eto.
Bro, stop it.
Ito. Who's most likely to have,
Me, Kwan.
who married first? Who will marry first? Ay, di Maria daw.
Maria, no him.
Not
me.
Not, sino nga
Who's
doon?
most likely
Not me.
to
Ba't
ano,
ka
to
doon?
home, to home marry first? To home marry first.
Who's most likely to have a many medal?
Medal?
If, yeah.
10 sa akin.
Next.
Minus 1. Ngayon, 23 na sa akin.
Who's most likely to be dumped?
Ano?
Oh, dam!
Oh, hindi ako
Ay, sorry. Dam.
Di ako. Oy, ba't lahat?
Yeah, lahat. Because you guys were so dumb. Not dumb.
Ito. Who's most likely to lose all his or her money?
Me! May pera ako! Nawawala na. Oh. Ah!
And then,
Guys, this is my unan.
yan, mas malaki.
Okay, ito na to. Akin yan.
Okay.
Go. Who's more likely to be gay? Gay ka? Jacob yun, hindi ako. Nagkaka-hair siya.
Oo, talaga.
Gumaganyan siya, o yung towel.
Oo.
I'm a girl.
Ngayon ginawa niyan. Nakakahapon eh.
Who's most likely to have the most money in the future?
Business woman ako sa business mo!
Hindi nyo masyado?
Ito na, ano yan?
Ano yan?
Okay, I got it. Ang pangit mo. Ito kasi yung inihila ko na nga eh. Who's
Tingin.
most likely to be the most ugliest in the future? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Ano ba?
Ate, hindi
tama
ka
na.
kasali dito.
Alam mo kung inaano yan, masira to ha?
Go, ate.
Okay lang masira, di ba?
Hindi, isa-isa na lang, hindi yung ano. Who's most likely to be gay? Not me again.
Ano? Di ba ikaw ay nagsuot ng damit mo yun? Ha?
No, si Kuya Adro.
Kasi maarte.
Marte.
Tapos nangurot pa. Tapos
Go.
nananabunot.
Go na.
Go na.
Most likely to be, finish college.
Finish college.
Tara, si Maria.
And then,
Akin na yan. Akin na, Mika.
isa-isa lang.
Ba't ano na yan? Sira na yan.
Likely to be in the bathroom. Why? I don't know. Who wants to go to the bathroom?
Who's most likely hindi umuwi ng bahay ng maaga?
Ako! Ito!
Masama ako dyan.
Ako! Ako! Bakit bawal
Who's most likely pinakamaraming friends?
Uy, kami lahat! Ayan.
Who's most likely umiyak?
Andrew! Imuriyak
Ay,
yan!
di pala ako umiyak. Di na pala ako umiyak.
Imuriyak yan si Andrew.
Yo, Nathan, you too. Go din. You cry sometimes. Okay, one. You cry the most. Huwag niyo anuhin. Okay,
Wala
go.
siya, nasira na si Mika.
Okay, bye.
No!
Bye-bye.
No, no, no.